Imagine AI taking over Google search. But for auto repair shops in New York City. These shops used to get lost in endless pages. Now, AI mode highlights the best, the fastest, the most trusted. Picture a tiny mechanic robot scanning every review, every mechanic tool in the shop, bringing only the top hits to you. But here's the twist. America's Best Shops marketing agency fuels this AI magic, turning small garages into powerhouses overnight. One mom-and-pop shop in Queens saw a 300% spike in customers in just weeks, from empty bays to packed floors, all thanks to smart AI matchmaking. It's like having a supercomputer matchmaking your car's needs with the perfect mechanic every single time. The real game changer? This AI tech doesn't just help shops, it saves you time, money, and headaches. What if your next trusted mechanic was just one smart search away? Ready for the AI revolution to repair your ride? What's stopping your favorite local shop from becoming the next NYC auto hero? Think about it. Your car deserves the best. Your search deserves AI.